we like to start learning how to use this router, so that way you can install a door, a hinge in the door. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can use this tool. Now I'm going to show you how to use this. So first of all, as usual, push the button here that you have in the battery. So it will tell you, you know, if it's fully charged or not. If it's not, here on the side you have a button, and in the other side as well. So you have to push both buttons at the same time, and then you can remove it. Charge the battery, put the new one in, or get another one, and that's it. With this button that you see here, you can turn it on and off. With this, you can change the speed of the machine, or of the router. So basically, it's like a trigger, kind of, almost. Here you will see these windows that you have here. So in this case, we're going to use it to install a hinge. So if you have to install a hinge, this tool will be very helpful for you. So basically, if you want to move, you know, the bit up and down, all you have to do is pull this up, and then by pushing this, you see you can go up and down. And then usually this is like maybe 1/8 of an inch, or if you want to use millimeters, maybe 2 or 3 millimeters, and that's it. And if you want to do like a fine tune, you can use this small dial that you have here. So basically you can, you know, make it higher or lower. Once it's in place, close it, and that's it. So if you want to go slow, again with a dial speed that you have here, you can change it 3, 2, 1, whatever, and this is just on and off, and that's it. So basically be careful when you use this. If you can use eye protector, that will be great. So now I'm going to show you closely, so that way we can do this test here. Let's pretend this is the side of the door or the frame, and you can do, you know, this very quickly. So now I'll change the angle. All right, so basically all you have to do, you grab the hinge, you grab a marker, and then you're going to put it in the place that you want it to be. Just use the marker like that. Not easy. So now I mean, if you want later, you can make the marks, you know, for the holes as well, so that way you know where to put the screws later. So if you mark the holes, and then you make a small hole or put the screw, you know, later you can remove it. Even if you sand it down or use this tool, it will help you to identify where you have to put the holes of the screws. So now we're going to turn it on. Alright, so make sure that is perfectly, you know, in place. Once you have the depth that you need, that's it. So that is all you have to do. Just put the screws in, do the same thing on the door, so that way you don't have any issues, and that's it. So try to go slowly. I know now it's getting dark, but if you go slowly and you see, you know, through this, you should be able to do it just fine. So it's very you need some practice, and you can do it very well. So as usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you. And if you want to learn more about tools or anything else, just go to my playlist and you will see everything. Thank you for watching. See you next time.